Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we are going to discuss all about independence of India. So once again going to the history. A happy Independence Day. Enjoy this day. We know that why do we celebrate Independence Day? We know that Independence Day marks the end of the British rule in India 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent nation. So we know that British rule ended in 1947, guys. So it also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, that is India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August 14 to 15, 1947. So, do you know what is the theme of Independence Day 2021? This year, the theme of first day is Nation First, Always First. So, this is to be honored the sacrifice made by our freedom fighters and the glorious path laid down for generations by them. So, the first day of the independence will be celebrated as Nation First, Always First. Okay. So, this first day celebration was done for the sacrifices done by our freedom fighters. So we know that this is the 75th year of Independence Day. We know that the independence started by our Mahatma Gandhi ji with Dandi March or Dandi Satyagrah. Okay, so Dandi Satyagrah was a non-violent protest against the British monopoly on salt production that was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi on March 12, 1930. He led the historical Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat's Ahmedabad to the village of Dandi in the state of coastal area. The salt march to Dandi and the beating of British police of hundreds of non-violent protesters in Darasana, which received worldwide news coverage, demonstrated the effective use of civil disobedience as a technique for fighting social and political injustice. We know that the Dandi March was a successful program. It was a successful program. We called it as civil disobedience movement. We know that we call it as civil disobedience movement. Do you know how did Gandhi break the salt law? The march ended on April 5 at Dandi village. So Gandhi and his selected followers went to the seashore and broke the salt law by picking up salt left on the shore by the sea, and Gandhi then have a signal to all Indians to manufacture salt illegally. So this is how the Gandhiji break the salt law. So what were the words of Mr. Sarojini Naidu when Gandhi broke the salt law? It was Hail Deliverer. Were the words of Mr. Sarojini Naidu when Gandhi broke the salt law. Okay guys, do you know how India get its independence? India won its freedom from British colonial rule in 1947, guys. So after many decades of struggle, Mohandas Gandhi, known as Mahatma Gandhi, joined the fight in 1940 and led the country to independence using his method of non-violent protest known as Satyagraha. Okay, so this is how we get independence. So we have to thankful for our Mahatma Gandhi, a great freedom fighter. Not only Mahatma Gandhi, such as Subhash Chandra Bose, like there's so many freedom fighters. We should be thankful for them to get to. Today we are so happy because of our freedom fighters. So we know that we get in August 15, 1947 we get our independence. So thank you guys. In this video we have learned so much about independence, how we get independence, and how the freedom fighters protect and save our India. So thank you. Once again, a happy Independence Day, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Creative Minds. Have a nice day, guys.